Okay, so our next topic is about group study, its advantages and its disadvantages. So we first start about the advantages of group studying. Now obviously, as of now we have this period of lockdown going on, and for quite some time it might get a little difficult to actually study in groups, but maybe people might study in virtual groups, and the advantages and disadvantages will likewise apply. So we first talk about the advantages. The first advantage of group studying is that this necessarily eliminates procrastination. अगर आप किसी भी टॉपिक को पढ़ने के लिए थोड़ा लूज हो रहे हो, so maybe the other person who is studying along with you can help you cover up the topic faster. The second advantage is in case if there are any gaps in the notes that you are preparing, those gaps can be filled by taking each other's feedbacks. The third advantage, it kills the monotony of studying alone. A lot of students don't have this practice of studying alone, so this can help. So group study can turn out to be effective for them. The next advantage is that it helps in clearing doubts on a daily basis. The students in your study groups actually can go ahead in setting up question papers for each other, and that's how you can keep testing yourself on a regular basis, and your peers will evaluate you on the basis of the tests that you write, and you get immediate feedback. One more very crucial advantage of this is it relaxes your state of mind, reduces your fear, and in fact motivates you to study a lot more. It also has this advantage of accountability, because the pressure of being accountable and answerable to someone will always help you to finish off things really faster. However, there are a few disadvantages of studying in groups which can eventually take a toll on you if not taken care of at the right time. The first disadvantage is mental roadblocks. हो सकता है कि काफ़ी बार आपको कुछ पढ़ने की इच्छा हो और उसको फिनिश ऑफ करने की इच्छा हो, बट आपके साथ जो पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं they are not that cooperative. The second disadvantage is competitive spirit. Obviously, competitive spirit as such काफ़ी बार helpful हो जाती है, but sometimes you might end up feeling a little less confident because your peer has completed a certain portion and you have not been able to. The third important thing is that you should not place too much reliance on the group. You should take the right decision for yourself and study accordingly. Another aspect that can turn out to be a disadvantage of studying in groups is negative attitude of any of the members. So at the end of the day, it's a personal choice. You have to decide what suits you best and study accordingly. If in case you have that push, you have that motivation from within, then I suggest you should study alone. So that was it for effective study tip number 7. I'll see you in the next video. Also, in case if you have liked this video, please don't forget to share with all your friends and colleagues so that even they can be benefited.